Hello beautiful people, in this video I am going to be showing you how to make neem powder at home. So sit back, relax and let's learn. I have my fresh neem leaves here. This is what we're going to be using to make the neem powder. I have washed it so it's clean and there is no dirt. I washed it so that we don't have dirt in our powder. And the first step is to pluck the leaves, to remove the leaves from the sticks. We don't want the sticks in our powder. This is what it looks like after removing all the sticks. Now we have just the leaves. Now we can move on to the next stage of making our neem powder. Now I'm going to spread the leaves on a tray before taking it out to sun dry. Now the reason why we're sun drying the leaves is to take out every form of water in the leaves. If you make your powder without removing all the water content in the leaves, then your powder is going to have a very short shelf life. But if you use this method, your powder is going to have a long shelf life, and I'll tell you how long it will stay at the end of this video. So now let's take it out and sun dry. Here's what it looks like after 2 days of constant sun drying. The leaves are completely dried and now we can go ahead and blend it. So I'm going to blend my leaves now, and when I come back I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after blending. As you can see, it's now in a powdered form, but it's still not powdery enough. It still has some crumbs in it. So we're going to sieve it so that we can have a very fine powder. So I'll gradually put it in my sieve and sieve it so that we can have a fine powder. If you're learning something from this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't. So I'll just keep sieving until I exhaust the entire neem powder. Now if you don't have a blender or you don't want to use your food blender to blend this, you could put this in a paper bag and then crush it so that you can have a fine powder. Alternatively, you could also use a mortar and pestle if you don't have access to a blender. And that's it, our homemade neem powder is ready. This neem powder has a shelf life of up to 2 years, meaning that you can keep it and use it for up to 2 years. This neem powder is great for formulating a wide range of hair care and skincare products, especially products targeted towards oily and acne prone skin. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please like this video, share this video, drop a beautiful comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye and see you in my next video.